Genie is a powerful tool for teams working within a single domain. However, as enterprise deployments grow, a new challenge emerges: how to ensure consistent answers when different teams ask the same questions. Initially, Genie feels like magic. It provides plain English answers to business questions for focused groups, backed by consistent governance from Unity Catalog. It works remarkably well when the domain is narrow. But as you scale, problems arise. If operations and finance have different Genie spaces, they might get conflicting numbers for the same business metric, like at-risk accounts, because their underlying definitions were built independently. This isn't a platform flaw, but a natural consequence of scaling. When business definitions are not established once and consistently, metrics like active customer get redefined by different teams, leading to discrepancies when those teams compare notes. Unity Catalog excels at governing access and lineage, but it doesn't solve the problem of business meaning. It ensures data is accessed consistently, but it cannot force different Genie spaces to align on the same business definitions. The solution is a shared business context, built once. By defining business concepts like at-risk account as a governed layer on the Databricks lakehouse, all Genie spaces can inherit these consistent definitions automatically. At scale, this shift changes everything. Instead of rebuilding logic and dealing with conflicting answers, a shared context allows you to reuse definitions, reduce reconciliation efforts, and maintain confidence as your deployment grows. Genie scales remarkably well, and by pairing it with a shared business context, you ensure that trust scales right along with it. To learn more, visit Kobai.io or reach out to us at contact@kobai.io. To bring contextual intelligence to your enterprise data or for any queries, please contact us at contact@kobai.io. Thank you for watching